My name is JP. This is my YouTube channel. And this is my Pixel 5. We're gonna unbox it today. How do you like that? How do you like them pixels? All right, I'm being silly. Let's get started. This is my Pixel 3. I had it for a few years now. I really like it. This is my new Pixel 5. And today, we're gonna unbox it. Alright, let's see what's in here. Nothing important. I can't wait to open this. Let's do it. How you like them pixels? Said that already. This is my new Pixel 5. And today, we unboxed it. But I want you to check it out. Why the Pixel 5, you ask? Well, let me just tell you some of the good stuff. It has Android 11, a 6-inch display. It has a 12 megapixel dual pixel rear camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. It shoots 1080p video at 30, 60, 120, and 240 frames a second. And it does 4K video at 30 and 60 frames a second. How rad is that? The part I like the most is that it's made out of 100% recycled aluminum. Anyway, you can check out all the high-tech specs at the Google store. But for now, I'm gonna go play with my Pixel 5. Check it out. How you like them pixels? Tune in for another episode. Definitely subscribe if you haven't, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Please do tell all of your